We're stepping fetcher over here to bring me my thermometer. I heard that stepping fetcher. I don't know who stepping fetcher is, but I heard Joe Pesci say it in Goodfellas. He's like, "Hey, Spider, why don't you come over here and give me a drink? You're walking like stepping fetcher over there." Hey guys, good evening. What's going on? Hope all is well. It's raining here. Going to a no heat call in New York State, Westchester County. Let's see what it is. I don't know. It's going to either be a furnace or a heat pump because this community has both. But we'll see what it is when we get there. Check it out. The snow's going to get washed away too.
Yeah.
That sucks. Most likely. Booyah. No, don't mention it. Yeah, April, you would think she would have told me, but she chooses what she wants to tell and what she doesn't.
Everything's falling apart.
It's typical for everything. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
All right, we have shoe covers too, so.
I had been away. I had some surgery, then I was in rehab, and then my daughter had a baby, and that one ended up in the hospital.
Oh.
So I came home 2 nights ago, and everything was...
I have the fan on, so that's what you're feeling.
Say, my
Yeah,
gosh, you're
I put
magic.
no, I wish. So I put the fan on just to check for. That's how I check to
The
make
fan
sure
worked. I
the
tried
fan's
the
working.
fan.
So we're gonna leave it on right now, and we're gonna go to the furnace.
Okay.
Spooky. Okay, 80%er. What it is? All right, let me see my drill. 5/16, please, or 1/4 inch. I don't know which one it is. The board is like, what the fuck? Who does that, dude? It's literally strapped in there. Who does this? Dude, the board is zip tied. For real. Like, serious guy. Fella. Unbelievable. We got 12 right now, which is blower on after power up. 1, and then 1, 2. And we'll check operation after 90 seconds. Looking for igniter. Igniter's bad. Boom. Grab my meter for me. Right, so I'm just checking ohms on my HSI. And I have 2.7. Let's check volts on from the control board to the igniter. We're gonna want 117 or 120. Checking voltage from the board to the igniter, or see if I'm getting my voltage from the board to the igniter. There you go. So that's good. So the igniter's back. Truck. If not, it's gonna get a universal, maybe. If a universal will work. I think I have one though. Let's see. There's your crack in it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. How are you? Throw one in there, and then I'm just going to clean this flame sensor for her down here. So it's not, or it doesn't seem like a callback. I don't think it would be, but I don't like to do that to people. I'm inside the furnace anyway, so why not clean the flame sensor for her? She's just a nice lady too. Crusty, but it's not the end of the world. Leave the filter in. Actually, pull it out and shake it out for her. Not in front of my face though. I can't believe that board's in there like that. We're gonna have to remount that. I was just showing the operations. Let's see if this guy lights up. Oh, buddy boy. We're gonna have to button this guy up the right way. I want to fix that control board, if you don't mind. Fix the control board, and then we will check temp rise. I want to check the supply temp and all that. So you could kill that. Two AA batteries, just so she has them. Energizer, please. All right, guys, we're gonna start this guy up. It's on delay right now. Good old Payne in the ass. I'm gonna check temp. We're coming back for a maintenance. She just scheduled or purchased because I don't like the filter. I want to check combustion. This thing's pretty old. I mean, we're gonna get her heat tonight, but we're gonna do a maintenance on it. Step and fetch her over here to bring me my thermometer. I heard that step and fetch. I don't know who step and fetcher is, but I heard Joe Pesci say it in Goodfellas. He's like, hey, Spider, why don't you come over here and give me a drink? You're walking like Step and Fetcher over there. Fletcher over here. That is hilarious, dude. All right.
Do you only work in Heritage?
No, I work all over Westchester County. And Rockland County, Westchester County, Putnam, Dutchess, Connecticut. 3 degrees in here. You got 92.8, 93 degrees coming out of the supply.
Dark sunset.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate everything. Happy holidays. And just a simple hot surface igniter. Nice lady though. Now she's got heat. But take care. Happy holidays. Thanks again.